thought first half, you know, we got a little bit of foul trouble with Marion and Gall, and I thought we played extremely well without those two. And I thought we did a good job. Second half, defensively, you know, there the last 7 or 8 minutes, we kind of relaxed and let too many threes. But up until that point, I thought we did a heck of a job defensively against them. Thought we played very aggressive on defense, took a lot of their shots away. They like to shoot the three. And like I say, if it hadn't been for the last 7 minutes, I would have been pretty satisfied with that. So, you know, it wasn't a great game, but overall I thought we played pretty well, especially defensively and then offensively. The first half we played pretty well, but kind of got a little bit of lull there the second half. But overall, I thought we played pretty decent.
The defense seems to have come along well, and I think this third quarter game we held something at a 35% field goal percentage. There's still lapses, but it seems like you guys have sort of found something that bothers you guys early on, which is some defensive consistency. You just talked about, you know, what you've seen over the past couple games that's maybe helped.
Well, I think our young kids are getting used to playing aggressive, getting used to knowing how to rotate. I think our help defense, we're not giving up easy shots. You know, defense is learning how to play team defense, and that's the whole key, and that's the hardest part to teach. So we're starting to get a pretty good flow on defense, take a lot of things away from the other teams. So that's giving us an opportunity to win. And, you know, like you said, the last 3 or 4 games we've held everybody in the 40s and 50s. So, you know, if we can do that, we've got a chance to win the game.
The thing that says that too, I think 13 to 14. I mean, the turnovers are not going to like, but I think that's probably one of your better nights, ball movement wise, in the first half. I think it was 11 to 4, 1 assist to turnover ratio. Were you happy with kind of the ball movement after the weekends? Executed at least in the offense been that way.
Well, I think, like I say, we're coming together now. Ford's doing a good job at the point. She knows what to look for now. Our kids know how to use screens better. We know where people are going to be. We've been playing together for a little while. God's understanding where people are. And, you know, the post players, the seniors, they're doing a much better job. So I think, you know, as a team, we're getting better both ends of the floor.
You talk a little about Taylor, you know, distributing the ball. This seems to be another one. I think the last couple games she had 3 to 1 assist to turnover ratio. Seems to be doing a nice job kind of executing the offense, but not getting you guys in too big of a hurry. What's kind of the biggest deal for her in terms of adjustment for the offense and the pace that you guys needed to work at over the past couple games?
Yeah, I think she just learned the position of the ball, how she controls the game, how it's in her hands, and she's doing a much better job. And in the first half, she did a heck of a job offensively, hitting those jump shots, pulling in there, and they were doubling down on Marion and making them pay. So overall, the first half, she did a really good job. Second half, I don't know what's wrong with her. She's sick. I'm sure she's got a bug. And, you know, we just got to keep challenging that she played her heart out. So, you know, you got a kid that gets sick or gets hurt, plays hard. That's all you can ask. And, you know, that our defense relaxed a little bit, but she was pretty wore out, too.
Britt, too, I think it was 11-11 night. It seems like now you guys can kind of almost alternate with her and Marion in terms of who's going to produce every night and just changing the dynamic. We talked about Marion having to be on the inside who could be a threat, but now having 2 that can kind of balance that load. What does that change the offense?
It just makes it for people to guard us that much harder. They can't just concentrate on Marion and say, well, we'll leave Britt alone. Britt's doing a good job putting herself in position to score points, do a good job rolling to the basket and setting screens. So, you know, and that's a senior coming out. She's got a lot of maturity, gets a lot of experience on the floor. So, again, that helps Marion that much more. It helps her outside people. So, you know, now we're a threat, you know, inside and outside, and we've become a hard team to guard.
You mentioned that you thought it was a little generous to be able to pick you third in the division, but I think, you know, if Denver wins tonight or comes in, you guys have a chance to be leading at the turn. And a lot of people I talked to preseason said you kind of downplayed this group you could compete, you know, for a bye. As you guys kind of make the turn, are you happy with this group?
I think 2 weeks ago we were still guessing. So, you know, you know, you don't ever know how teams will mature and how they're going to take the challenge. And, you know, I'm tickled to death that we're in the spot we're in with the experience we got. And, you know, you want to be playing the top teams. You want to be playing great games. You want to be challenged this time of year. And it's just another good game. Western, South Isle, Arkansas State, these guys coming in. It's, to me, they're all fun now because you've proven that you can win a little bit, and you got to have a little confidence. And you're not going to win them all, but you got to go into every game having fun competing.